How to recover data after doing factory reset on Android. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we're gonna learn how we can recover our data after doing factory reset on our Android device. So let's go on with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon and turn on the notification bells to get updated about our latest videos. So in order to do that, you may just follow the steps. You can directly do it from your settings. Head over to the settings of a device on your Android device and you can go up and look for the backup option here. After going to the backup option, here are three options: backup data from your Google Drive, from your Samsung Cloud, or any of your cloud. Each of the Android device have their own backup clouded, so you're just gonna log into those, or you may just smart switch from your old device. So here you can see backup data option or restore data option. So if you have your Samsung account, for example, I'm using a Samsung phone right now. So in my previous Samsung device, if I've used a Samsung cloud and I have restored all my data in that cloud in my Samsung account, what I'm going to do is simply click on this restore data option. After that, I just need to select the device. After selecting the device, I'll get an option of restoring here. I'm just gonna select the option called restore and it will be restored. Other than that, we have the Google Drive option from where we can back up data in each and every phone. For that, you just need to head over to the backup data first of all and back up each of data in each of the Google account. After that, you can find the option called backup now, and when you click on backup now, you'll be able to also find restore also option when you have already backed up in your Google account, and you may just use that option in order to restore data. Otherwise, you can just bring data from your old device. You can directly use a USB cable or your laptop PC in order to transfer data from an old device or tablet, including pictures, contacts, apps, and messages. Or we also have an option called external storage transfer. Back up your data to your SD card, and you may just bring up your SD card and keep it up. Just put it in this device. After that, you may just access the folders and files from this device, the new device that you're using for. So that's how you basically restore data from an Android device after you have done factory reset. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.